Here comes Southern and her pups down the hill. This is the first time that they've been out in the forest with their mummy. There they go. These puppies are Cash and Southern puppies. We have 2 females and 1 male left. And they're learning how to be off leash in the forest. They're potty trained and ready to join your family. If interested, please contact us through our website, Island Miniature Schnauzers, or give us a call at 778-425-2527. There they go. They're just absolutely loving this. It's great for their developmental skills to be able to learn to go out in the forest, scent, see, and be able to make their own decisions. Mummy's gone into the thicket and they're not too sure if they can follow or not. So give us a call or email us and we'll get together and you can enjoy choosing one of these puppies. Thank you.